week 3 of 5 weeks of country swing and two-step. This is our first week of country swing. I'm Amber with Last Dance Gulch.
I'm Kim.
Kim, thank you for being my model. So we are going to kind of demonstrate and break down combo number 1, country swing. So we're going to start, we dance country swing in open position. This is considered open position. We're going to start with a couple one-sided basics. We're going to step and pivot, step and pivot. I'm going to commence a figure 8 slide, step, figure 8, slide, catch at the fingertips. The dance within the dance is so important. Inside turn for Kim. As she comes around, I'm going to offer her my other hand and step into it for an infinity turn. She goes, and then I go. Notice that one hand is up one time, and then we can do a female directed move, but I'm going to do it as a, or you can do it as a lead. And then we're going to go back to our infinity turn. We can switch directions in the infinity turn just by switching that arm. I'm going to break, and then I'm going to do cross-handed turns. She gets a cross-handed turn. Both hands come up and over and down, up, over and down, up, over and down. I can take myself for some cross-handed turns. Okay, and then we are going to do a fan slide push. Okay, you can just push towards my shoulders. Okay, so fan slide push catch. Okay, we'll do it a little bit faster. Basic, figure 8, slide, inside turn into infinity turn. We're going to switch directions on her. I'm going to break, cross-handed turn. Cross-handed turn for me, cross-handed turn, fan slide, push, and catch back to basic. And that is your week 3 tutorial for week of country swing.